Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into TD Ameritrade account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in TD Ameritrade login. Then click on TD Ameritrade login option. Here in this page, click on the login button. Then you'll come across this login portal. Here you'll have to enter your user ID associated with your account and your valid password. If you want your device to remember your user ID, then check the box that says remember user ID. And if you don't want it, then uncheck the box. And if you click on my account overview option, here you can choose a page to start when you log in. If you do not remember your user ID or password, then you can click on Forgot User ID and Forgot Password links respectively. Also, if you do not have an account yet, then you can click on Create User ID link to make one. After entering your details, click on the Login button to proceed. And that is how you can log into TD Ameritrade account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.